Welcome back to the podcast. I'm in studio with Lynn Stokes, a healthcare benefits consultant and the owner of Smart Choice Benefits. Lynn, I appreciate you coming in, spending some time with me. My name is Marc Ebinger. I'm the owner of Crükus Virtual Staffing, a company that recruits and staffs experienced overseas administrative assistants for insurance agents who need help with their policy management, claims processing, and client communication. Lynn, so tell me a little bit about who you are and what it is that you do for your business.
Okay, I've been in the financial services sector for 25 years. I've been licensed for 25 years. I'm an old guy. About 7 years ago, my partner called me up. He goes, there's a great product. I think you should take a look at it. And it was a health share product. It's called Sedera Health. And it checked off all the boxes of something that I would want to put my clients into. It was affordable. They stood behind it. They took care of the customer, that kind of thing.
What are the services that you're providing now with your current business?
Okay, we still do health insurance, which is under 65. Over 65 is Medicare. We do Medicare supplements. I spend most of my time with retirement planning, with pre-retirees and retirees. They're entering retirement, how to set up an income plan for retirement, how to handle all the issues of retirement. I still have a lot of clients in the health insurance. I still help people within health insurance. I help people with Medicare, but I also help people with the retirement planning.
You hired a virtual assistant to help you in your business. What motivated you to actually do that? Why did you choose to hire a virtual assistant?
I had pushed myself completely to the limits of my time, and I was looking at, well, you're going to fail because you're going to drop the ball here, you're going to drop the ball here, you're not keeping up with your commitments to your calendar, and things were heading in the right direction on paper, but time management, they were going the wrong way, and I had to do something. I was forced, and you remember when we met, I thank the Lord above because I had said, man, I got to find some help. But I didn't know where to turn for help because it's expensive to hire help. Who do you trust? All those issues. And then I went to BNI that week, and there you were. And honestly, I wasn't even paying attention. I was drifting off in BNI, but then you said something about virtual assistants and hourly pay, and I woke up and said, wait, I got to talk to Mark. And so for me, it was not, I just need a little help here and there. It was like, I'm going to fail if I don't get some help. And I felt that way.
What kind of tasks are you having your VA do for you now?
There's monitoring emails, transcribing video meetings, organizing the Google Drive, keeping the client folders, putting all the relevant documents into each folder, updating the CRM, keeping on top of my calendar. For example, one thing, if she only did this one thing, which is every day call the clients on the calendar of the next day and remind them. Now, our CRM does that, but if you have another person coming through that text, and it's not an automated text, they can see that this is another person. They don't know who it is, but they know it's not just a CRM, it's an actual person. Hey, just want to remind you of your appointment. To me, I think that means a lot. And as easy as it sounds to do a few texts every day, when you've been working all day and you're spent, it's just going to get dropped. That you're going to forget to do it. You're just not going to feel like doing it. And so it's really important that task gets done. But that's just a small part of what she does. And I think the hardest part for me has been to relinquish some of the stuff to get a feeling of trust. But it comes naturally that you get to a point where hey, I got to turn this over, and you just turn it over. And so there's more that can be done.
Beyond the reminders is also the rescheduling of things too. Does she do the rescheduling for you as well?
Yes. Now, sometimes the CRM allows them to reschedule on their own, but a lot of these clients, they'll just shoot a text, hey, I can't make it, I'm going to have to reschedule. And they won't even look to see if there was a link, or they don't even look for it. So I've got an app on my phone where I can monitor the communications. But now if I see that, I just get on Slack and ask Trina, hey, this client needs to be rescheduled. Can you send them the link? I try to do as little tech stuff as possible.
Yeah.
Because
Me
my
too.
eyes glaze over when I get into the CRM. And actually, Trina's better at it than I am anyway.
So let's talk about the hiring process. So Crükus, of course, we did the hiring for you.
Yeah.
Give me your quick thoughts on how that process went.
I have tried another company before several years ago. So this was an improvement over what I was used to. It was more efficient. It was very timely. You were following up. I got recordings sent to my text, I believe, or maybe my email. But I got audio recordings. And then if I liked that, I could get a video interview. And it didn't take long to find Trina. I think Trina was in the first week. And then I looked at some more, and there were some good people in there, but she had experience with Go High Level CRM. And I thought, that's going to be helpful.
Yeah. Okay. And then we've got, of course, ongoing HR services. We monitor things, right? Like time management, payroll, and of course, client support. If it's like
Right.
you need something. What are your thoughts on the quality of that ongoing support?
It's good. I don't have a problem with it. I think that you guys support me if I need anything. It's more a matter of me taking the initiative to reach out to you than you guys not being able to help. No, it's good.
All right. Love it. All right, Lynn, if folks want to reach out and get a hold of you, maybe learn more about your services, how do they do that?
They can, easiest is a phone call, 210-286-9766. 210-286-9766. And I have a couple of company websites and so forth. strategicabundancefinancial.com.
All right, awesome. All right, Lynn, I appreciate you coming in for a
Sure.
few minutes. I know you're a busy guy, but once again, thank you very much. As we wrap up the show, quick reminder, check out our latest podcast and catch video version of the show anytime by visiting Crükus.com. That's CRUKUS.com. That's going to be it for this one. You guys have a great week. We'll see you on the next one.
All right, thank you.
Thanks, Lynn.